Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter, then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.